I'm playing Minecraft and I'm making my house. And I crafted a lot of stuff right now. I'm living next to the villagers. So, this may actually break. So, oopsies. Okay, so it looks like there we go. Okay, so I'm just making a house. Sadly, I don't have any stairs, and if I steal from the villagers, it's done. Like, they will get super mad at me for stealing from them. Oops. Ouch. Losing my loot. Okay. Why did I keep doing that? I'm sorry. Okay, so if I steal from the villagers, they will get super triggered with me, so I may actually steal from them, but it's a possibility, probably. Because if they get super triggered at me for stealing or living next to them, they will probably get mad. This shovel is about to break, so I may have to craft a new one. I've been crafting like a lot, so how can this ever go wrong? So if you want proof that I've been crafting a lot. Look. Sword, another shovel, stick. Yeah, I've been having a lot of stuff. Like, where do I have this? I have a chest. I've been crafting a lot, and I've been stealing them from the villagers, but today I have armor. And yes, I did not steal that from the villagers. I actually crafted that. It took me a while to craft. It took me 2 days to craft for that armor, get all my supplies. Even though it's not a lot, it still took a long time. Okay, so I don't want like any animals or anything like that going in my secret thingy. So what I'm gonna do is like, so I know it's mine, I'd put like oh, I've been collecting a lot of dirt lately, and it's not going out so well because I'm not gonna use dirt for this house. This is just a hideout. Like, this is not a house, it's a hideout. So when I go on difficult mode, it's gonna be on, like, on. So I'll resume. Okay. So let's just make a door, like a door to go in. My stomach really hurts, like, oh gosh. I may sound like really weird right now because my stomach hurts right now. Like, my stomach has been hurting like forever. So I'm kind of sad about that. And bad news is I may be like this forever, like for 2 days. My stomach like really hurts. Like, you may be like, oh, you're just complaining, but like, no, like, the stomach legitimately hurts. What the heck? Oh, when I do that, what? Guys, when I record it does that, so sorry.